This is Sarah from Raver Technology Solutions. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how to use the Morph feature in Microsoft PowerPoint. This feature is a great way to add more visual interest to your business presentations. The Morph Transition allows you to animate in a smooth movement from one slide to the next. You can apply this feature to animate text, shapes, pictures, smart art, word art, and charts. To set up a Morph Transition, make sure that you have two slides with at least one object in common. The best way to do this is to duplicate the slide that you want to animate and move the object on the second slide to a different place. In the thumbnail pane on the left of your screen, select the slide that you want to apply the Morph Transition to. This should be the second slide. Click the Transitions tab on the top of your screen and select Morph. From the Transitions tab, select Effect Options to choose how you want the transition to work. From the Transitions tab, select Advanced Slide to choose if you want the slide to advance automatically or on mouse click. Then, click Preview to see the Morph Transition in action. As you can see, our presentation now has some smooth transitions from one slide to the next. If you need any more help using this feature of PowerPoint, our corresponding blog post is linked in the description. If you have any more questions about Microsoft PowerPoint or other Microsoft Office products for your business, please contact us. We are always happy to help.